All right, it's Wednesday. We're going to start with rhyme recognition. Remember, thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Mask, task. Mask, task, rhyme. Very good. Fish, rest. Fish, rest, do not rhyme. Loud, soft. Loud and soft do not rhyme. Are, far. Are and far rhyme. Last one. Smile, dial. We're ending with a rhymer. Smile and dial rhyme. Onset fluency. Remember, I'll say the word, you repeat it, and then you tell me 2 or 3 words that start with the same sound. Okay? Down. You can say a word that starts with D, like dog, done, dish. And it doesn't have to be those words. It could be any word that starts with D. We're all going to come up with different words. Those are just some examples. Okay, here's our next one. For. Maybe you said fish, frog, fun. Okay. Asking. Words that start with a, like asking, might be apple. Those are hard ones. Vowel words are hard. Apple. Angry? No, not really. We'll think of other ones. And have. Huh, like help, hello, horse. Okay, last one. Jam. Just, jelly, jellyfish. Okay, now we're going to final sounds. Oh, first we're going to blend. Remember, I'll do it first. You repeat after me. Z, oo, zoo. Wa, a, way. F, e, fee. M, I, my. L, o, low. Okay, now we're going to isolate final sounds. Remember, we say the word and punch the last sound. You repeat after me. Man, cough, kid, clock, jam. Okay, great job. We're segmenting, so get your choppers out. Repeat after me. May, a. T, e. Knee, e. Bow, o. Y, I. Okay, now we're going to add our phoneme. We're starting with E, add to the beginning to make me. We have O, add G to the beginning to make go. We have A, add P to the beginning to make pay. We have E, add H to the beginning to make he. We have O, add S to the beginning to make so. Good. Now we're going to delete a phoneme or part of our word. We have the word be without B. What's left? E. We have the word lay without O. What's left? A. We have the word moo without What's left? Oo. We have the word toe without T. What's left? O. We have the word Y without W. What's left? I. Okay, we're substituting and I'm changing it for a different phoneme. We have the word who, change H to Z for the word zoo, zoo. We have the word zoo, change Z to T, and what's the word? To. We have the word to, change T to Ch, and what's the word? Chew. We have the word chew, change Ch to and what's the word? Moo. We have the word moo, change to S, and what's the word? Sue. Okay, and our nursery rhyme. Polly put the kettle on. Repeat after me. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. We'll all have tea. Suki, take it off again. Suki, take it off again. They've all gone away. Yeah, that's a new one to me. I haven't heard that before. All right, I'll see you.